Hello, my name is Sarah Grayboys, and I am the IB Magnet Coordinator here at Randolph Middle School. I'm here to go over our Services Action program here at Randolph and to provide you a tour of our Services Action website. Our Services Action website was created in the fall of 2018 to support the new Services Action program, which you might be referring to as Community and Service, in order to align better with the International Baccalaureate Organization and the CMS school board policies. We've transitioned to the Services Action program. Everything regarding Randolph's Services Action program is available on this website. The homepage includes reminders for students, information for incoming students, as well as details regarding our program and access to any materials that might be needed. We also host our 8th grade community project on this website, so any information needed for the project is also listed. Our students did a fantastic job this year in their project work, and so we do have some shout outs on that page as well. And we also have the documentation required for students to get signed at their service activities. The final tab available on our website is Service as Action Opportunities. Anytime a school or an organization contacts Randolph and has an event available, we post it for students to view and families to view as they are determining what they are going to complete for their service as action. So any questions, this is a great resource. For the 2019-2020 school year, I just wanted to go over the procedures for our program. So students are able to begin their services action the first day of summer break. So after June 7th of 2019, they can start collecting their services action activities. Students will need to complete an activity outside of school time. Students will then need to have the supervisor documentation form that was referenced before signed by the supervisor of the activity. We keep printed copies in the main office and a PDF available on the school website at all times, as well as a Google version available on our website. Students will then log on to our Services Action webpage and access the Google reflection form that's posted on the homepage. Students must be logged into their into their CMS account in order to access the service reflection. Again, students must be logged into their CMS Google account in order to access this document. They would complete the reflection, and then they are going to upload a picture, a digital image of the supervisor documentation form that has been signed. That is embedded within the reflection, and the reflection will not be able to be submitted without that document. So again, students must complete the reflection and upload a copy of that signed documentation form. We are trying our best to go paperless through our Services Action credit and program, so please be sure to read the details when completing your first Services Action activity. The link for the new and updated Services Action Reflection document is listed here, and again in number 3. The current form is for this school year, so it will be removed in May of 2019 as it will no longer be used. A couple of deadlines to highlight. You can complete an activity over the summer. We ask that we only complete one activity over the summer as 2 are due throughout the school year, and our first cutoff, our first semester deadline will be December 20th of 2019 to have our first activity submitted, and our second activity should be turned in by May 8th, 2020. There is one more piece of information for 8th grade students. 8th grade students will be completing a community project. This will count as their third activity. So outside of school, every Randolph IB student will be completing 2 service activities over the course of the school year and uploading completely digitally through our website. And our 8th grade will complete a third by the successful completion of their community project. You might be asking, what is a service activity? And we have additional information down here. It truly is anything that benefits other people or groups that you do not receive a payment or grade. We do allow for students to include playing in a sport, 1 sport per year, or counting a school club. So if you are a member of the Science Olympiad, that could count as a service activity, or maybe you're a part of the football team and you would like to count that as your service activity. You can choose 1 club and 1 sport per year. That decision and transition this past school year is to better align with the IB high school requirements of CAS, creativity, action, and service. So the different elements students get involved in their school as well as their community outside of academics. Again, all details regarding our program are listed on our webpage. You can even see all of this year's deadlines and reminders to students, our letters that have gone home, and our videos that were shared at the first rollout last spring and this fall. The very bottom, you have a picture of myself, your IB Magnet coordinator, and contact information if you need to email me with any questions. I'm happy to support in any possible ways. So best of luck, and I look forward to meeting all of our new raters as we begin our Services Action program.